the South Terminal at Vancouver International Airport. Let's go have a look inside.
So as you enter the building, you'll see there's a gift shop just to your right. Right where that gentleman's about to turn, that's the screening area for security. Once you've gone through there, you'll sit in that area behind glass. These are the check-in counters for the airlines and the seating area for that. That's where you'll check in. There's also a coffee shop where you can pick up some breakfast or lunch. And there's the gift shop again.
There's plenty of parking at the South Terminal of Vancouver International Airport. It's pay parking, and you'll just find a little machine and pay your daily fee.